What's up, guys, from YouTube, bros? Okay, I personally going to show you. I'm going to tell you how to make that. What's it called? I'm going to tell you how to make the helicopter noise. So first, you know how you fold your tongue? Make your tongue like this. How you make your tongue like this? Here, maybe that. You really don't have to, but it really doesn't work that way. Okay, what you do is you want to put your tongue. You want to blow air out of. You want to blow air out of your mouth. You want to blow air out of your mouth like this. Like that. See you guys later. Oh yeah. Please subscribe to Jacksepticeye, me, and I'm gonna try to get a lag spike, and I want to see if we can hit the goal of 1,000 likes. And so, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that bell down there by my name, and see you all later.